Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So this is an electric cheese grater. You can use it for a few different things, for vegetables or cheese and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and see how it works. It comes with a little brush to clean it out when you're done using it. Then it has all these different attachments. Okay, so that's everything that comes in here. So I'm gonna be grating some cheese, so I'm gonna take these off. You just pull it up. It comes right off. And then you can attach these ones. So just like that. So to get this off, you're going to get it on, you're gonna push it in and then kind of push it over. And then when you want to take it off, you're gonna push in this button right here and it's gonna allow you to take it off. So just like that. Then we're going to put the cheese grater part into here. Then the cheese is going to go down into this part. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Wow. So that's one speed. So as you can see, this grated the cheese perfectly. So I'm going to be making some stuff with this later. Now I'm going to do some cucumbers. Okay, so let's go ahead. So I went ahead and took this piece off so that I can do a cucumber. So now and you can see how fast it sliced it up. They're all even slices. Just perfect. That sounds good. A cucumber sandwich. That sounds delightful. And as you can see, I chopped up some jalapenos and they are all perfectly sliced. And if you look on the side, it's going to tell you what each one of these do. So this one right here is more for like kind of chip-like things. You have this, which will do like peanuts, kind of just mince stuff up. This is for like potatoes and carrots. And it just depends on what kind you want. Will be like which one you do. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.